Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are back in AFK Arena and it is that time again where we got ourselves enough diamonds, enough soul stones to summon some more heroes to help us out in our endeavors. So let's see what we get. Alright. That's fine. Not too bad. Okay, I guess this was okay, I guess. Anyway, overall, I'm happy with this opening. Not the best, but it's fine. We got better stuff and we upgraded a little bit, so that's it. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed, please be sure to leave a like, comment, favorite, and subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll see you later. See ya!